Boom! What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Joannis or Joe Hatagwa. I'm a Sierra Leonean American living here in West Africa. And if you want to see what a luxury penthouse suite looks like in Sierra Leone, then this is the video for you. Alright, cool. So today, Mars, the manager of Pearl Hotel, is gonna take us on a tour of the penthouse suite at Pearl Hotel. It is a beautiful penthouse suite. I'm not gonna do it any justice by continuing to talk about it. Let's just get right into it. Alright guys, so we are here at the Pearl Hotel. We're at the penthouse suite. We're gonna do a tour with Mars, the manager. So let me ring the doorbell. He's gonna open it up for us.
Hi,
Hey,
welcome
Mars.
to Pearl. My name is Mars.
Hey Mars, thanks for doing this tour. I'm looking forward to walking through here. We just got a chance to look at it. It's an amazing, amazing penthouse. So I'm looking forward to you sharing it with the people. So let's go ahead and do this.
Okay, sure. Let's start with the dining area. This is the dining area and this is locally made furnitures. Also, these cabinets here are locally made. It's made in Sierra Leone. And let's move here in the kitchen. So we have a full kitchen setup. You have a big fridge, the microwave, you have a washing machine and dryer, full setup of the kitchen. All the cutleries are here, pots and plates. It's in here. This penthouse, aside that it has a dining table, it has also a bar table.
And some bar stools too, I see.
Yes. And it has a
Big living room.
big living room. And a balcony also.
So how big is the balcony? Do you know how big it is? It's huge.
The balcony is about 18 square meters.
18 square meters. You know, as an American, I do square feet. So I think that's what 18 times 3, 20 times 3 is 60. So it's like 60 by 60, I guess. 60
Yes.
feet.
And the good thing in here, you have the Atlantic view. The view of the sea for the penthouse. So it looks like you have about 270 degrees view.
Yeah.
You have the view on that side, you have the view in the sea, and you have the view in here. Also, view on the swimming pool area.
Oh yeah, the courtyard and the swimming pool.
Yes. So this penthouse has a 2-bedroom apartment. So let's proceed to the
bedrooms.
master's bedroom first,
Okay, nice.
and the guest room.
So you're mentioning about this mesh.
Yes, we added feature with the mesh because our tenant requested for additional health security reason, like to avoid mosquito. In this part of the world, high cases of malaria.
Yes, of course.
In the Philippines, we have dengue. It's high cases in dengue.
Okay,
It's
same
still
thing.
mosquito.
Mosquitoes.
Yes.
Mosquitoes carry everything. Okay. So you want to do it to the master bedroom?
This is the master's bedroom. The unique of this master's bedroom, I cannot explain, but the uniqueness of this, you have a view of the
Into
bathroom.
the shower. Interesting.
It's the shower room. This is also locally made wardrobe. And then there's an extra closet here.
There's plenty of closet space. And then the restroom.
And then the restroom and the bathroom. It also have quite a big space.
That's very big. So toilet with a bidet. There's what they call is a rainforest shower head, and then you have a detachable shower head is there as well. Nice. And I like the way they just did the glass separation too.
Okay, let's move to the guest room. So the guest room, it's actually not much interesting, but it has a twin single bed inside.
And plenty of storage space though, right? There's a storage unit here, so plenty of closet space here, and then the other side opens up as well. Nice.
And all rooms is equipped with AC.
Alright, yes.
And also it has an internet connection. Each apartment has its own router, so you're not sharing with anyone. So your speed of your internet is your own.
Yes, I do know that for sure. And then there's still one additional restroom, right? So this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom.
The last bathroom is outside the bedroom, so at least if you have visitors coming in, still your privacy is still intact because they cannot access your room.
Yeah, and there's a shower in here as well. Okay, cool. All right, so you were mentioning this usually is rented out for long-term stays.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
We give it for long term. All of the apartments here, or even the one that you use for hotel, we also give it out as for long term because the setup is the same. It's an apartment.
Right.
For here, we set aside 50% for long term, 50% for short term or hotel stay.
Okay.
But in case the longer or people is asking for longer stay, we give of the hotel part.
I see. Okay. And so, do people do year-long leases, 6 months? What's the kind of the average amount of time that people do?
Usually it's like year.
Okay. Year.
Minimum a year.
Okay.
And we even have companies that stay here for more than 5 years.
Wow.
Currently, we have 2 companies that stayed more than 5 years, and we have one organization that took 5 apartments here.
Wow. What kind of companies are they? Do you know?
Embassy.
Embassy.
Yes. So they like here because also of security.
Yeah.
We have electric fence.
Yeah.
On our fences has electric fence. So security wise, we are okay.
Yeah, great location.
And also the U.S. Embassy, of course, one of our great customers. They're sending their guests here.
Nice. Can I go work for the U.S. Embassy? You guys want to give me a job? So this has been a great tour, and this place is really, really nice. I'm looking forward to sharing this with the folks out there for sure. So thanks, Mars, for the tour.
You're welcome.
And we'll see you guys on the next video.
Thank you very much.
All right, cool. So what did you guys think of the penthouse suite? Did you like it? Did it look good to you? Let me know. I'd love to hear what you guys think about the penthouse suite. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. I want to hear from you guys in the comments below. Now, if you want to see the interview I did as the last interview I did with Mars, that's going to be here. And if you want to see any other real estate in West Africa, that's going to be down here. All right, guys, thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. All right, guys, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, like, comment, and share it with your friends. All right, see you on the next video.